Hey there. Looking for a flexible way to use your Amex points for everyday spending or gifts? Redeeming them for gift cards is a simple option with a wide range of retailers. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Here's the simple way to do it. In your Amex account, navigate to the Membership Rewards Redemption Center. Look for the Gift Cards section. You'll see partners like Amazon, Apple, Best Buy, and dozens of others. Select the retailer, choose the gift card denomination, and confirm the redemption. The points to dollar value is usually fixed, often 1 cent per point or less. The digital gift card code is typically emailed to you instantly or added to your Amazon account directly. My crucial pro tip? Watch for bonus redemption events. Occasionally, Amex runs promotions where you get 20 to 50% more value when redeeming points for specific gift cards. Never redeem for a standard gift card without checking if there's a bonus offer available first. It's a straightforward way to turn points into something tangible for yourself or a gift. What's your go-to retailer for gift cards? Amazon, or somewhere else? Share your preference below. For more versatile points guides, subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you soon.